Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this replacement. You will need a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger or prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your laptop's components. Start by turning off your HP 15SFQ laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if it is removable to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the screws on the underside of the laptop. You will find several Phillips screws that secure the bottom cover. Carefully unscrew them and set them aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. If you're unsure about the screws, refer to the user manual or look for online guides. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover. Be cautious as you do this to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. Now, with the bottom cover off, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. This is usually a flat ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the laptop. Carefully detach this cable by lifting the locking mechanism on the connector. Before proceeding, take this opportunity to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside your laptop. This is also a good time to check for any other issues that may require attention. Once the area is clean, you can move on to the keyboard replacement. Take your new keyboard and align it with the key slots. Make sure the ribbon cable is accessible and in the right position for reconnection. Reconnect the keyboard cable by sliding it into the connector and securing it in place by closing the locking mechanism. Once the keyboard is connected, test it briefly to ensure it functions before reassembling the laptop. This will save you time in case there are any issues. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, along with pickup and delivery at your home. This ensures you don't have to make any calls or travel, just let us handle it. Once you confirm the keyboard is working, replace the bottom cover by aligning it back into place and pressing down gently until you hear the clips snap back in. Reinsert all the screws you previously removed, ensuring that each one is tightened properly to secure the cover. Finally, if the battery is removable, reinsert it and reconnect the power supply. Turn on your laptop to check if everything is functioning correctly. And there you have it, a complete guide to replacing the keyboard on your HP 15SFQ laptop. Remember, if you ever need assistance, we provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. Happy computing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.